Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I got a squishy package from Delightful Boutique. They are an Australian company and they are from Melbourne, so I will link their website down in the description box down below. They are a very good website. I recommend purchasing from them and they have really good quality. So yeah, but before we get on with this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So here's the first look. So what I see is these two things. So this is the Delightful Boutique business card. And the Delightful Boutique logo, and there's a little note. So let's take off the bubble wrap. And so the first thing I see is this Gudetama dumpling. I did not order this, so this must be an extra. Thank you so much. It is licensed by Sanrio. Ooh, that's airy, and it's very surprising. So thank you so much for that extra. So I'm going to put that around squishy. And it is my Himiko Gurashi Chigiri bread. Here's the tag. So I ordered the green penguin version. I don't know the name of this squishy, so I apologize. Here's the licensing. Super squishy. Next is my Poly Cream Macaron. Here is the tag. I ordered the green one. It has a purple and white filling. I don't think you guys can see the licensing, but I'll try to show you guys. It smells like melons. Next is my iBloom strawberry, and I ordered the pink version. So I think this is a collab with Basic Bag and iBloom. Give it a squish. That is so sterilizing. It smells like strawberry haichu. If you guys don't know what haichu is, it's like a Japanese candy and it's delicious. Here's the packaging. And here is the iBloom strawberry. That's so squishy. It's like kind of sticky too. And I'm going to try find the licensing. Found it. So it is kind of blended in with the color, but it's like right there. And lastly is my Cutie Melon Pan. And it is by Ima Tokyo Squishies and iBloom. Ooh, that's soft. It is so soft. And I did get the original version. Here's the packaging. And here is the squishy. So I'm going to show you guys the licensing first. So it should be right there. Let's give this a squish. Oh my god, this is like ultra soft. And we all know iBlend squishies are slow rising. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out Delightful Boutique's website. And yeah, bye guys.